Hello friends, welcome to Int Career. Today we are going to start the heating effect of current as well as the Joule's law of heating. We will see how and why the heating effect produced in a conductor when the current flows in the conductor. So what are the different phenomena on which this principle works on? क्यों होता है ऐसा कि जब किसी कंडक्टर से करंट फ्लो होता है तो वायर गर्म हो जाता है या कंडक्टर गर्म हो जाता है? क्या लगता है आपको, ये अच्छी चीज है या बुरी चीज है? ऐसा होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए? हीट प्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, इस पर भी हम बात करेंगे। सबसे पहले ये देखते हैं कि क्यों होता है। एवरी कंडक्टर हैज सम अमाउंट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा है। एवरी कंडक्टर हैज सम अमाउंट ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटीज, सो ड्यू टू दैट रेजिस्टिविटी एंड रेजिस्टेंस द फ्रीक्वेंट vibration of electron results collisions of electrons with each other as well as to the wall of the conductors. So due to this frequent collision of vibrating electrons, the kinetic energy of electrons converted into the thermal energy, which results the heating effect of current in the conductor, and consequently it rises the temperature of the conductor. So this is the most generalized concept why the current produces heating effect. एकदम सिंपल सा सॉल्यूशन है, क्योंकि करंट जब फ्लो होता है तो करंट का फ्लो होना इट मींस चार्जेस का फ्लो होना। जब चार्जेस फ्लो होते हैं तो उनके फ्रीक्वेंट कोलिजन्स की वजह से उन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की काइनेटिक एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो जाती है थर्मल एनर्जी पे, जो हमें एज अ हीटिंग इफेक्ट सी मिलती है। सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला एंड व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑन व्हिच दिस हीटिंग इफेक्ट डिपेंड्स अपॉन? सो लेट्स कंसीडर दिस। वी ऑलरेडी नो द फॉर्मूला फॉर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एज वेल एज द फॉर्मूला फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। सो लेट्स टेक अ लुक। What is potential difference? The formula for potential difference was the amount of work done divided by the amount of charge. The formula for electric current, it was I is equals to Q upon T. What was Q? Q was the electric charge and T was the time. अगर मैं यहाँ से Q का expression find out करूँ, what will happen? I into 2 will result Q, I into T will result Q. And what if I substitute this value of charge in the previous equation of potential difference? Then what we will have, we are going to put or substitute the value of Q in the equation number 1, and now the potential difference becomes W upon I into T. And after that the work done W will be equals to, let's cross multiply this with the potential difference, so we will have V into I into T. Now what is W? W is a work done. What is heat? Work and heat both are a different form of energy. There are two forms of energies, one is work, another one is heat. When we say the energy is considered as heat, और कब हम उसे work done की तरह लेते हैं? If the energy interaction takes place due to the temperature difference, if there is any temperature difference between the two different bodies, then the energy will transfer. Suppose there is a hot coffee in the room, and after some time this hot coffee will be converted into cold coffee. How? Because the higher temperature body is coffee and the lower temperature atmosphere is there, heat will always flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. What is heat? हॉट कॉफी है सम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, यहाँ पर एनर्जी कम है, यहाँ पर एनर्जी ज़्यादा है, कम एनर्जी से ज़्यादा एनर्जी से कम एनर्जी की तरफ हीट फ्लो होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है। सो व्हेन एनर्जी इंटरेक्शन टेक्स प्लेस ड्यू टू द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस, इट टर्म्ड एज हीट, एंड एक्सेप्ट heat except temperature difference, when the energy interaction takes place, it is called work done. So here the temperature phenomena is there. So now we are going to change this work done in terms of heat, because work and heat both are mutually convertible and they are a form of energy. So here we have a generalized formula for the heating effect of current, which will give us the value of heat produced in the conductor. Now let's consider another theory and another concept of, we have Ohm's law, which is V is equal to I into R. What if I substitute this value of potential difference in this equation? We will get H is equals to, in place of V I am writing I into R into I into T. And what is the result? The result is I square R into T. This expression is called the Joule's law of heating. Why it is called? Because this expression was given by the famous scientist which we call Joule, and the concept becomes the Joule's law of heating. He concluded the three statements about the heating effect of current. The very first one is that the heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current. जितना ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो होगा उसके स्क्वायर के बराबर का हमारा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगा. सो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन? द फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन वाज द heating effect of current or the heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current. The second statement was the heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to the resistance of current, and as well as the heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to the time. What is that time? The time for which the current is passing through the conductor, the total time taken or the total time at which the current is in the conductor. What is the application? मैंने एक सवाल पूछा था कि अच्छी चीज़ है या बुरी चीज़ है, गर्म होना चाहिए वायर कि नहीं होना चाहिए. See, पहले जब हम इसका यूज नहीं जानते थे, it was a disadvantageous thing for us. But now today we are taking advantage of this. The lightning phenomena of electric bulb, the filament of electric bulb glow due to this conversion. We switch on the electricity and the light glows. It also heat up also. The immersion rod, geyser, heaters, these all are nothing but application of heating effect of current, and all of them works on the principle of Joule's law of heating. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to start electric power, the commercial unit of electric power and SI unit of electric power, and also find some applications, some more applications in our practical life. Thank you so much.